Go.
Hi guys, you want to eat?
What is that?
It's a pancit. Guys,
It's a Lucky Me. Noodles.
noodles. You want to try it?
Yeah. What is the taste now? What is the taste of the noodles?
But,
What time now?
Tasty.
Our time now is, anong oras na ngayon, Johan? 10:42. Sabi mo,
Yum, yum, yum.
is it yummy? Is it yummy? Who cooked the noodles?
Johan, thanks Johan.
Well, thank you, Johan, for giving me noodles. Because we are here at
Johan, look.
Lola's house.
Mm. 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 Yummy, Mama.
You told everyone, it's yummy, guys.
It's yummy, guys. Try it.
You buy in the store. Lucky Me noodles.
The noodles is so very tasty. Because it's
So that's my favorite. Just tell them, it's my favorite. Noodles. You like it so much? Hmm? So long. My goodness. Is it long? Oopsie. What color is the soup?
That is like a orange one.
No, it's not orange.
Like a wee up baby.
It's not an orange. What color is that? Wow, very good. Almost done. Guys.
Bakit tinidor yan? Hindi kutsara.
Hindi niya madala sa kutsara eh. The canton is very long. Oh, Tanggol is barking outside. You try it, guys. You tell them. Say mukbang. Say mukbang. Sarap, guys. Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Careful.
Yummy. Guys, Pipi eat that. Yummy.
Yung nguya. There's more. You want more? You want more? Noodles? Wala, naubos ni Rich. Oh my goodness. Ngayon lang kasi kami natulog dito kay na mama. Ay, nagutom siya. Nagpaluto ng kanton. You want more? Johan will get again? Johan will get again. Johan, kuha ka pa daw.
No.
Put here. The noodles. Carefully. You say, wow!
Wow, wow, wow. Gusto mo?
It's hot, ha? You blow it.
Kaya sa kayo tutulog yan sa mga.
Paano yung hangin nyo?
This ay ang tawan only. Yeah.
Tatabi ako sa inyo.
Tatabihan daw kay ni Johan pa.
You're looking for the ones. Ones.
Wow, it's so yummy, guys. It's so long. You cut it na. Yon. I'm so full. You bite it properly, ha? Nagutom si Rich. You say, eat.
Aba!
Let's
You
eat.
are hungry, baby. You are too hungry, eh? Because you are playing.
You play with Johan, ah.
Because my parents is playing.
You run.
Huh?
It's yummy.
The parents is the playing in the ground.
Korean ata si Rich. Ang kinakain ay noodles. Naubos niya isang ano eh. Naubos niya ang isang noodles. Isang pack.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Why are you sleeping? You're still eating. Don't sleep, ha? Ha? You want water na? Johan, water please. Yon.
Lollipop!
Johan.
I like mine.
Johan, more daw. Yay! You finish it? Yun!
Ano pa isa mo?
Papa, inaan nyo yan. No, I don't like.
Mama,
Mababasa.
dali. It's yummy.
Yeah. I
How about
like it.
pancit pa? You like it, Mama. It's so very sweet, Mama. It's so sweet.
Sweet?
Mama, yes. Mama, try it.
Okay.
It's so sweet.
Okay.
Go. Go. Go.
Ay!
It's yummy? Mama,
It's yummy, guys. I like it so much.
you want to try it?
You say, you buy Canton in the store. You tell them.
That's my mom.
Hmm? Yeah. What's your name? What is your name?
No.
Mm.
Like that. Mama, like that. Daddy.
I will ask you. What is your name?
Baby meat.
Rich?
Meat. Yayay. Parrot.
Parparan?
It's so very young.
Yeah. What is the name of your mommy? Uh-oh, it's so long. Oh my god, it's so long. Ay! What is the name? Rich, what is the name of your mommy? Mommy? Oh, dali. Mommy? Don't shout. That's bad. What is the name of your daddy? What is the name of your daddy? Nako po, busy. Ayaw sumagot. What is the name of your daddy? Oopsie. Uh-oh. We reached fall down na. Tong-tong sahur. Ano ba yung sabor, Johan? Sabor, sahur? Sahur. It's tong-tong sahur. It's not sabor. And, don't... Huh?
Mama.
Kahina.
And grass.
No? Where?
Doon.
Where?
Doon.
In the
I
farm?
show you everything.
Everything?
That's a grass.
Oh no, you broke it. The glass. Baby, water mo na.
It's going to be.
Oh no.
Going to blow up.
And then, ayun, Tanggol is barking over there.
Oh, si Mama, wait lang, ha?
No.
No, I
Tamo,
need
another one yun. Meron pa ba?
Ang dami naman nakain eh. Diba na?
Mine po.
More pa nga.
Ito po.
May po pa eh.
I want more po. You say, what is the name of Johan?
Mama, try it.
Tinanggal yung mali.
Yummy.
Yum.
Mama, how about the yellow one?
That's a flower.
Mama, that's for you, huh?
Yeah, you give flower to mommy. How many? I want many. 100.
100.
3,000. Oh no, it's so long. Oh no! Oops, Sala. Oh no, I told you. I told you it fall down now. So long. It's gonna fall down. Eat properly. Oh no! Oopsie! Fall down. Ayun, nandito in the plate. So fall down in the plate. You make a... I'm so sleepy na. It's almost, ano na, 11. Are you done?
Not yet pa.
Is it yummy?
It's yummy!
Wow. Are you full? Not yet. Not
Not
yet?
yet pa.
Okay. You eat well. You eat many, ha? Yon. Hello, Tanggol is barking. Yes, Tanggol. Hello. Tanggol is... Hello. Say hi guys, I'm going to school na. Ahem. Ahem. Baby, what number you want? What number? Stop barking. You say, stop barking. Baby Rich is one, don't like, yun na, wala na. Not
Look,
barking.
Mommy, it's magic.
Look, it's your
It's
tongue.
magic.
It's your tongue.
It's magic, Mama.
Yeah, it's magic. What is that?
It's magic.
Hmm?
It's magic, Mama.
Opo. na, eat. Ay,
Throw down
eat
there.
na. That's why you need to use the fork. Use the fork. Use the fork. Oops, yun, nalaglag na. Yun, pala. Eat na. Yun. Okay na? Okay na. Bye,
Okay
guys.
na.
Okay na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Drink water. Ayan, full na. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. See you on our next vlog.